In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Miro boards. This is a crucial step in ensuring that your valuable collaborative work is safely stored and can be restored whenever needed. Whether you're working on complex projects or just want to safeguard your creative efforts, creating a backup is an essential skill for anyone using Miro. First and foremost, it's important to note that to create a backup of your Miro boards, you must have a specific role within the platform. You need to be either the board owner, a co-owner, or, if you're using an enterprise plan, a content admin. Unfortunately, if you're on the free plan, this feature won't be available to you. Instead, it is offered on the starter, business, enterprise, and education plans. So, before we dive into the backup process, double-check that your plan supports this feature and that you have the appropriate access level. Let's proceed to the process of creating a backup once you've determined you have the right access. You'll start by navigating to either the board you wish to back up or the Miro dashboard. Here, you'll see a symbol represented by 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis or the 3-dot menu, which gives you an array of additional options for managing your board. Once you click on this 3-dot menu, you'll hover over to find the option labeled Board. This is your gateway to a variety of board-specific actions, including our focus for today, exporting your board. After selecting Board, you'll then click on Export. This is a key selection, as it leads you directly to the option of downloading a backup of your board. At this stage, Miro will generate a file known as an .rtb file. This file is specifically formatted to serve as a backup of your board. It's important to save this .rtb file securely on your computer. It acts as a snapshot of your Miro board at that particular moment in time, allowing you to restore it to its former state if ever needed. Remember, creating regular backups of your Miro boards is a good practice, especially if you frequently update your work or collaborate with team members on dynamic projects. By keeping these backups, you're safeguarding your efforts against any unforeseen issues or potential data loss. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Ensuring you have backups of your work is an investment in your peace of mind, knowing that no matter what happens, you've got a secure copy of your Miro boards ready to go. Feel free to check back for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your digital tools.